Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix apps not opening on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, in your system or laptop, apps and games are not opening, or if you are facing any issue to open that game or any software, then I am showing you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just right click on your taskbar, then click on Task Manager. Here you will find Services, click on this. Below you will find Open Services, click on this. In this you have to find Windows Update. Just press W key. Here you will find Windows Update. Double click on this Windows Update. Here you can see it's manual. You just need to disable this one. And click on Apply. You have to make sure that service status should be stopped. And click OK. Right click on that. Then click on Stop again if it is enabled. After that, just close this window, go to the C drive, open the File Explorer, go to the C drive, go to the Windows folder, scroll down, here you find Software Distribution, double click and open. In this you have to delete this download folder. Right click, then click on delete. After that, you can see here data store. You just need to delete this folder also. Just right click on that, then click on delete, then close this window. After deleting this, you have to empty your recycle bin also. After it empty your recycle bin, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting, hope you receive the result. That's it guys. From this way you can fix app not opening or app or games not opening on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.